Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I am going to share you how you can add disable mouse, right click, cut, copy, paste on your website using Jquery. Actually this is to prevent visitors from copying your web page data. Sometimes you want to prevent that users not able to grab the data, okay, from your website. So let me create a file .html, okay, and create another file theft.js. Okay, so here we will add our html skeleton html. Okay, here we can give title disable mouse, right click, copy, paste, okay, using Jquery. Okay, and in body we can add some data, dummy data. So let me copy this, same as like I'm copying from here. Okay, so we need to stop other users to do this. Okay, if I right click, then here you can see the copy is copy option, and then I can copy this one and paste here. Okay, we can add some paragraph as well, but let's see how it looks on the Chrome. You can see it looking something like this, and we can add the paragraph here, p tag. Okay, let me copy. Here we need to close the p tag, p tag, close the p tag, and close the p tag, close the p tag, and close the p tag here as well. You can see here there's looking fine. Okay, so this was not the tutorial point, but we need to also show the content as well. Okay, if I right click here, you can see um, the right click option is working. Okay, so before proceed, because we are going to use jQuery, so first we need to add the jQuery. Okay, jQuery cdn. If you click on the hosted library, you can see the jQuery version and everything here, so you can grab anyone. Okay, so let me add the jQuery in header. Okay, or you can add in footer as well, no issue. And also we need to include this theft.js file here. Okay, and let's script, and src will be theft.js. Okay, and to check that js working or not, we can add dollar document dot ready function. Then we can hit alert jQuery working. Okay, and if we go on here, and you can see the pop-up comes like jQuery working. That means our jQuery is working properly. Okay, Let me comment this one. So now comes to the point. Okay, for disabling the full page, we can add the code in our body tag. Okay, so let add the dollar body dot on. Okay, and here we need to add the context menu. Okay, and then we need to write our function. This is the callback function. Okay, with e, simply return the return false. Yes, so this code will uh, on body whenever any user click on the body. Okay, body on, and then click on the body, the context menu will return false. So let's check this one. So just hit refresh, and if you right click, then you can see I'm not able to click right click. Okay, that means our code is working. Okay, but I think I need to here add some alert. Okay, alert, you are not allowed. Okay, you are not allowed. And if we hit refresh and hit right, then you can see here you are not allowed it. Okay, so this is for the whole body. Okay, and if we want to disable some element like some class or a specific data. Okay, like if we have p, okay, paragraph, and we can add id like restricted. This one is restricted. Okay, so we can add here, and let me copy paste this one, and first we can comment this one. Okay, to check that that is working or not. And here we have id restricted, and this that has symbol and restricted id. Okay, on context menu we will return false. Okay, and this we have added on only this paragraph. Okay, so just hit refresh, and you can see if I click here. Okay, this is the first paragraph we have added. Okay, and if I click or right click on this under this paragraph, then you can see you are not allowed it. And if I click here, okay, you can see that is working. This is working. Okay, we can inspect, we can, okay, yes, view page source, everything I can do here. But if I try here, then you can see you are not allowed it. So this is for the right click disable. Okay, and if we further check on the code to disable cut copy and paste, sometime if you need to prevent like I am able to select this one, but if I hit command C, okay, and then this here, let me open new tab and V, then you can see I have disabled the right click, but I can select all the text and with the control C, and I can copy that data. Okay, so we need to disable right click, and further we need to disable the control C and control, okay, control C V, all the things. Okay, so let me add that code as well. Okay, so this is for the right click, and we can just stop this one also. To disable cut copy and paste, we need to use the bind. Okay, so here dollar body dot bind. Okay, and after that we need to define cut space copy and space paste. After that we need to declare a callback function and here, yes, and we need to e dot prevent default. So we have added the code like to prevent the cut copy paste. Okay, so let me copy the context menu. Okay, here I have copied the context menu, and if I go on the new tab then paste, then it comes context menu. And if let me refresh this one and let me select this one and also click on the right click, and here I can select okay on the copy. So as I assume that this is copied. Okay, so let's go on the Sublime and let me paste. Okay, so you can see still the context menu is coming. That means you just not able to copy this one. Okay, and like I did for the restriction of right click. Okay, here we added on the body, and if you want to do on any specific text then you can do that also. So let me copy this one and restricted one, and let me comment this one. So if I, and also let me copy the restricted one. Okay, otherwise need to check that whatever is already in our cut copy paste. So let me refresh, and if I copy here, okay, this one is a restricted one, copy, and here if I paste then you can see I am able to copy this one, and because we have not added the ID. Okay, so let me add the ID and copy the restricted one. Okay, and just paste this one, and if I refresh again and select this one and then copy, okay, and then paste, then you can see restricted is coming. So this code is working perfect. Okay, and this one, and to combine each thing, to disable mouse right click cut copy and paste, we just need to add two code. Okay, for hold the body we can add this one, and let me comment. Okay, for the whole body, okay, we can prevent default. Okay, and because this code is for disable right click. Okay, disable right click, and this code is for disable cut copy and paste, and if you need to remove anyone you can do that as well. Okay, so we can add a alert here as well. Okay, so let's check this one, and if I select this one and control C, then as I click on control C, this you are not allowed it. Okay, and if I right click then you are not allowed it. So by using this simple, I think 4-5 line code, you can prevent your data from cut copy paste. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. I hope you got the point, and if you have any issue you can just comment on the video.